7 strangest animals on Earth you need to see before you die. Do you know that there are 8.7 million species of living things on Earth, and no one has seen them all? And for your information, if you start to look at 8.7 million pictures of all the cool animals on the planet, it would take you around 8 years if you'd spend 30 seconds for each photo without any breaks for eating or sleeping. This sounds quite unrealistic, right? That's why we've prepared a selection of the 7 strangest animals that you have probably never heard of, let alone ever met. These bizarre animals range from cute to terrifying, and you might even see them on your next trip if you know where to look. Glass frog. Many of these frogs have lime green skin, but some lack any coloration on their underside, making their organs visible to the naked eye. Just as you can see through a glass, you can see through this unusual glass frog. Your best chance of spotting this translucent frog is in humid montane forests throughout Central and South America, including Belize, Costa Rica, Colombia, Guatemala, Honduras, Mexico, and Panama. Mantis shrimp. Mantis shrimp, aka stomatopods, are ancient, aggressive, and more than a little weird. Various forms of mantis shrimp have been around for an estimated 400 million years, and they aren't like any other shrimp around. There are about 400 different species of mantis shrimp, the most dazzling looking of which is undoubtedly the multi-hued peacock mantis shrimp. They are so freakishly strong that their appendages called clubs can smash crab shells and bust open clams. Also, these clubs can also throw 500 punches under a second. And that's not all. Because these shrimps have incredible eyesight, they can see in 2 different directions at once, they strike with pinpoint accuracy. The waters of Costa Rica and Bali are particularly rich with mantis shrimp. What are you waiting for? Book a diving trip to see this little fastest boxer in the world. Sun bear. When people think of bears, they often imagine the big and potentially dangerous kinds: polar, grizzly, brown, or black bear. They often don't think of sun bears, which are unlike any of their cousins. Sun bears, aka honey bears, are the smallest bears in the world, with many adults weighing under 100 pounds. But what really makes them stand out is their unusually long tongues, which can measure up to 9 inches. Sun bears climb trees to find honeycombs, and their tongues come in handy when they lick out their loot. Unfortunately, the sun bear population is declining because of deforestation. But you can still find sun bears in Southeast Asia, where, unlike their North American cousins, they thrive in tropical forest environments. Fainting goat. Here's a tip from us if you're having a bad day. Just type fainting goats in your YouTube search, and you'll be lost watching hilarious videos for hours. Fainting goat, aka myotonic goats, has a very strange muscle reflex to any fear-based situation. When frightened, their muscles go completely stiff, and the goats fall over. And don't worry, the reaction causes no pain, and the goats recover after 10 to 20 seconds. The process is credited to a rare genetic disorder that somehow made itself hereditary. You can see them in action, or rather inaction, at Old Faithful Geyser Animal Farm in Northern California. Indian purple frog. As their name makes clear, these frogs are found in India, specifically in the Western Ghats mountain range. They look nothing like everyday frogs, however. Besides their unique, striking, and shiny purple color skin, they are shaped like a lump, with a light blue ring around their eyes, a pointy pig nose, and have features that seem deformed when compared to a regular frog. Their irregular shape is partly attributed to their lifestyle. They spend most of their lives tucked underground, sucking down termites and other digging insects, only surfacing for a week or 2 during mating periods. The frogs require forested habitat to support their underground lifestyle, and due to their limited exposure, they are tricky to spot. So any princess up for a kiss? Venezuelan poodle moth. This creature was discovered in Venezuela just a few years ago in 2009. This large moth is covered with hair that makes it resemble a poodle. Unlike a poodle, however, it has wings and is attracted to your porch light, just like any other moth. The harmony seems to be that this is the cutest moth ever, and we wholeheartedly agree. To date, the only known examples of the Venezuelan poodle moth live in Venezuela, South America, in the Canema National Park. The region includes diverse habitat types including moist forest and high rock plateaus known as tepuis. Long-wattled umbrella bird. As is often the case with birds, female long-wattled umbrella birds don't look like anything special, but the males are incredible, with long wattles, flabby hunks of skin also seen on turkeys, extending from their necks. More amazing still, they can control their wattles, retracting or extending them as desired during flight or while sitting still. The wattles are especially odd considering they have no official purpose outside of potential courtship displays. The first long-wattled umbrella bird nest was discovered by scientists in 2003. They can be very loud and their calls are screeching noises that can be heard up to 3 miles away. The umbrella cockatoo weighs about 600 grams. The best place to spot them are parts of Ecuador and throughout southwest Colombia, where they are heavily concentrated. Nature is truly full of surprises. Just when you think you've seen it all, some new bizarre creature makes an appearance, instantly restoring your faith in the impossible. So which rarest animal have you seen? Comment to share your thoughts and hit the like button. Don't forget to click subscribe to join us. See you in our next video.